I think I'll start with Adar, especially with the presentations. Are we ready?
Good to go. Your time starts now.
Okay. Working? Hello? Our project motivation. We observed that awareness about environmental problems are everywhere, international level, national level, the regulations, international, national, laws, policies, municipal corporations, Ministry of Environment, everything. But still things seem not to be working out. What do you say, Dar? Do you know what environmental threats are?
Of course I know what environmental problems are. All the way from reciting odes to Mother Earth to the global warming issue.
Okay, so you go to college, you see a lot of garbage around. You know how harmful that is for people, health, environment as such. Why don't you do something about it?
I don't know, it seems cumbersome. I don't think I have the time for it. In any case, I don't know how to do it in any case.
Yeah, well, that is one problem, ladies and gentlemen, that we try to focus. People don't have time to forward their complaints. And there's one other thing. In factories, we use harmful chemicals. These are the source of environmental pollution that only engineers know about, but they cannot come out and show their agitation over it because their bosses would drill it. So here's our solution using which you can register your grievances at a single button push in the best scenario. All you have to do is, if you find something intriguing, send this snapshot to us. Rest everything. Finding what location it is, finding what category it belongs to, finding what authority we have to forward this to, and also, if we find it a serious enough a problem, we'll make sure to build a public opinion around this and get your thing done. Adar?
We will also message agencies according to the response a particular problem is getting. We have already seen examples of this. An SMS campaign was successful in saving a dying rhino in the Kaziranga National Park. Similarly, other examples are also available.
Okay, how do we do it? We'll come to the straight part. You have a mobile phone, you see an integrating spot, you capture its image. That is the image. Take some time. This is the image. All you have to do is figure anything. You got no time, you want to spend some time in that, send it to or contra. This is it. The message would be sent to us. This is over here. Yeah. Adar, what else? What else do we have?
To specify your location, we are presently using GPS in the example we just showed you. But apart from that, you can also enter your position using maps. That is courtesy of Windows Microsoft Map Point. You can also enter your address, or you can, or other cases as well.
Yeah, you can save it as a file. If you don't want to spend your money on GPS, you can save it as a file, go back home, upload it on the internet. Well, that's the case. What else? Well, on the website, you can register. This is a virtual earth, which will show you on which you can spot your location. And once you're registered on your website, the application will generate an SMS. I will show you the snapshot of our application generated SMS, which is right there. This time also our application has generated SMSs to our mobile phones, but since we are not very sure when it will reach us, so this is the snapshot. The similar SMS you're going to use a lot more using our interaction with the mobile based users, helping us out in building public opinion. Okay.
Notice another feature on the website. You did not categorize the image into a particular category. Let us say air pollution. But the image that we just submitted using the mobile phones has been categorized as an air problem. How did that happen? That uses image recognition. What we do is that we have certain features that we find in a particular image that has been submitted, and then we try to match the image that has been submitted to those features.
It selects the category air over there, but we must select. Besides, okay. Well, AI is not foolproof, we know it. In case the AI module is not able to return the category with the required precision of the service, we forward the image to the volunteers who will manually give us the category of the image. We have, so when it comes to the website, they can vote it. We have a voting page using which they can vote it like that. So that will help us to find the criticality of the problem. What else?
Also, a problem can be uploaded through the website itself, like we are showing in this example. You can type in the description, etc., as well as specify the location, again using MapPoint, or in this case, Virtual Earth.
Besides, other interfaces is...
Besides that, other interfaces are also available. Like you can message the story using SMS or through an IVRS system. An interactive voice response system places our application in the hands of those people who do not have access to a mobile phone. They can access it through a landline. We cannot presently show you the IVRS running because of network issues, but we can show you the audio of one such call.
The audio to this is not working.
The audio.
Like breakfast, please enter 1 to exit.
Sorry for the voice sound.
The problem has been described as follows.
Baby happens bright sunlight at 2 in the noon.
This problem could be fake or real. We rely on your opinion for the same.
Baby feed court is situated in a cattle bag suburb, which I am sure would be illegal. The smoke plays over the area and sometimes is so dense that it dampens bright sunlight at 2 in the noon.
Now,
I will tell you about this feature.
Now, what happened was that in that call, we asked the user to specify to place his reaction over the problem that we had submitted.
Yeah. So having put all this into it, we still found this a little bit indirect. That is, you place a grievance, it comes to the website, it is get categorized, and that's forwarded. We try to make this a little bit faster, which is, in case a user gives us a text description, what we're going to do it, we'll text-to-speech it, we'll place a call to the volunteer. Another volunteer will hear that text-to-speech audio on his mobile phone, and right on his mobile phone, he'll give the feedback back. We had very much so in the demonstration yesterday, but because of network problem, we have not received the call. That was just the text-to-speech portion of the calls we receive on our mobile phone, so that the user don't have to get online, saving us a lot of time. This is the general scenario we are having. I think we'll skip it. We don't have time. Okay, now the other part. How are we going to make sure that the agencies do react upon about our grievances? We did some research. We observed that Evidence Act Section 65A and 65B makes emails and all other storage media a valid evidence. So with all the email logs sent to the authorities, with all the complaints that were made to us by the users, mobile phone users, IVRS users, SMS users, we can go to the court in case agencies are not addressing our problem. We can file Right to Information Act, we can file a writ petition, and probably make them do the job.
Now, how do we earn our revenue? We earn